Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Ankita. I'm from Mumbai. I've recently moved to Manchester, UK, and I create videos about beauty, style and wellness. In today's video, we are going back to basics and I'm going to create a winged eye. This is what I'm wearing right now. A winged eyeliner is something so timeless, so classic. It's something you can wear anytime, and it's something that beginners usually struggle with quite a lot. So I hope this video will help you understand the step-by-step process, how to create a winged liner, and that is my objective with this tutorial today. So let's get started. I'm going to use the new Lakme Iconic eyeliner for this. In the first step, I'm just going to start from the middle of the lid and just draw a half liner. That's all you need to do in the first step. In the next step, we are going to start with the wing, and for this I want you to imagine like you are just extending the natural curve of your lower lash line and just trace that with your eyeliner. I really like how fine this brush is because it allows me to do just really precise thin lines. Once we've got the base, we are going to now start from the tip and move inwards towards the lashes to complete the top of the wing. Now at this stage, this looks a little bit like an aeroplane, and that's okay. We can soften that curve in short strokes later. The important thing to remember is you don't have to do anything in one simple stroke. You can build your liner in small strokes and get your desired shape and length of the liner. I'm now going to go in and complete the inner half, taking it all the way to the inner corner, making sure there's a smooth line. You can go back in with the liner at this stage to maybe make the wing a little sharper, which is what I'm doing. And now a few of my tips on how to make this look even better. Use a kajal which is smudge proof. I'm using the Lakme Iconic here, and tightline your eyes. This means lining the upper waterline. This makes your liner just appear darker and more solid. Next, if you've made any mistakes, you can use a little bit of primer and a cotton bud and just correct that very simply. Next, always use mascara, especially on the outermost lashes. This is going to push the lashes and make your liner look just a little bit better. If you get any smudges or transfer from your mascara, just use a dry cotton bud after the mascara has dried. My liner is also a little irregular, so I'm just going to clean that up using a little bit of primer. I don't use makeup remover because then that removes my concealer and base, all of that. And then to further refine the wing and make it look really sharp and clean, I'm using a little bit of concealer on an angled brush, and I'm just going to go under my wing to make sure it looks really clean, neat and sharp, and doing this to the other side as well. Make sure you blend the underside of the concealer. And that's my final look. I hope you found this easy to understand. I'd highly recommend the liner I've used here, the Lakme Iconic. It is smudge proof, waterproof. I love how dark it is and it's quite affordable. Definitely recommend this. And that's all for this video. If there are any other basic techniques or looks that you want me to show you in detail, let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.